Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a striking product label. So how do you do that? The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Canva web application, which of course you have done right here. And next, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a design on Canva. There are two ways to go about that. The first way is to create a design from scratch. And how do you do that? Go ahead and click on the top right corner of your screen and click on this create a design button to create from scratch. The second way is to design using existing templates. By clicking on the search bar, all you have to do is describe the design that you want, and then it's going to take you to a word of templates that would help you facilitate your design processes. So in this search bar, all I'm just going to type is product label, and it's going to open up a wide array of templates for me. So here I go. Now the designs that have the pro thing on them means that you have to click on this upgrade your plan to upgrade and just subscribe. If not, you will not be able to access them. So let's head over to the ones that are free, and the ones that are free do not have labels on them. So let's find out what is free and unique as well. I think this is a unique one. This. So just open that up, and I'm just going to click on customize this template. So we don't have to like take too much time, right? So here, so there are a lot of things that you can change here. Here's the text. How do you change the text? Of course, double click, and so let's make this apple. Double click, apple juice. So this original and best before. I could leave all of that there. All right, but if you want to change that, you can change that. So I want to change this to apple. What do? I head over to the left corner, click on elements, and in my elements, I'm just going to click on apple. So here I have apple, apples, and all of this ones are just telling me that this one's not free. So I'm just going to drag and drop this there. It's covering the juice, so I'm just going to reduce the size. Now my apple is red. What does that mean? All of these elements have to be red. So I click on that yellow thingy and I change it to red. Or something like this. Okay, and this is going to have to change to no way. I'm gonna make it white. White is fine. So there's this other one there. So I can just click on that and make that this color. So this, no, we have so many things. No, I want to click on the new thing. So here I could make this. What do you think? No. Okay, I think I like this. But all of this, I'm gonna have to delete them because it's just making it too designy. So just click on that and click on delete. So just click on this element and click on delete because I don't want to work with them. So here you have, and this is my apple. Apple color cannot be changed. All of those things. Why don't I make this red, by the way? So that we have a red that can blend with the color of the apple. So this is like apple juice, and oh, this original too. I'm going to click on that. Original has not changed to our colors, so original is going to be there, white. So as you can see, so this can actually be my label. I can even drag this and make this wider, you know, so that just suppresses the other color, just stays behind. And I can make this my label, my product label is striking, right? So of course, once you're done with your design, head over to this and click on share, and then click on download, and you're done. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, be good to go. I hope this video helped you search.